Hello, my little friends. Welcome to Toddlo English. Today we have a surprise. What do you think? What are they? Wow. They are so beautiful. Wow, my dears, look at how beautiful, amazing. Let's open it together. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Open. Now we will open together them and we will do some checks. Okay? Well, my dears, look, what color is it? What color is it? It is brown. Yeah, brown. Now we will open. Look, it's amazing. It's very interesting. My dears, what color is it? It's brown. Yeah, brown. Well, my dears, the next is, look, what color is it? What do you think? It's white. It's white? Haha, no, my dears. It's pink. Yeah, pink. Look, it's very beautiful. Yeah. It's very soft and beautiful. Pink circle. Wow. The next is, what color is it? What color is it? We have blue. Look. What colors are blue? For example, the sky is blue. Yeah, am I right? The dolphins are the water is blue. Very soft, interesting label. I think you definitely like it. It is blue circle. The next is yellow label. Open. Look, it's very interesting, my dears. Oh, very amazing. Oh, hey. Oh, it's very good, it's the best. Now we have ready yellow circle. Yeah, yellow, my dears. Okay, my dears, today we learned many colors and made fun things with play doh. You did an amazing job. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Toddlo English and press the bell button so you don't miss our next fun English lesson. See you next time. Bye, my dears.